Okay, so I'm growing some tomato plants and I need something to keep them watered on a regular basis. So I'm going to turn this into a mini irrigator. So for this you're going to need a plastic bottle of some sort, something to make some holes in the top, and you're going to need to cut the bottom off that. This time I'm going to use my Dremel for both jobs. So first off, I'm going to cut some holes in the top. Put it on a low speed for this one, doesn't need to be too high. That's plenty. And I'm just going to cut off the first inch, and on most bottles there does tend to be a line of some sort so you can go across, so let's get that done. That's that part done, and I use the cutting disc because it melts the top as well, so it's a bit of a smoother edge than if you used a knife. Right, let's get this in the soil. Just need to dig a little hole as deeply as you can for the bottle to go in. If you can avoid disturbing the roots of the plant, that would be great, but obviously it may not be possible. To get it down as deeply as I can. Just give this a test. Yeah, it's a fair bit deeper yet. And then place the plastic bottle in the hole and just pack the earth around it again, so it's nice and stable. It won't go anywhere. And it will slowly irrigate the tomato plants throughout the day. Love you.